Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me again for another fun unboxing of a Michael's grab bag. I found one more box, so let's see what's in here. It's a little heavy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, I see some frames and that might be the weight. Hold on, let's pull this piece. Alright guys, let's see. The first item I'm pulling out is another of these beautiful framed pieces. It says H is for hello. I'm actually super happy that I have another one of these because I'm going to use the frame. These are expensive when you buy them, so I'm going to use it for a different artwork and save this for another crafty project. So we'll put that on the side. We have another one of those frames and they retail for $24.99. So really pretty. So I got, I think, two of those from my previous unboxing. Next item we have here is a graduation decor kit. Retails for $24.99. And I can see there's some items here that I can still use for celebrating. Like these are not marked, so I can definitely save it for my younger one. And I might use some of the 2021 for scrapbooking for my daughter's my older one's graduation from last year, so we can still use that. And then let's see what is in here. We have a wooden DIY wood decor that's pre-lit, $9.99. So it's the American flag. How cool is that? And it lights up, so that'll be a fun project again for July 4th for next year. I see some little felt board items here, which are always fun. So I'll be definitely sending this off to my niece. And these are always like little paper dolls. She loves these. So I'll be sending that off to her. It retails for $4.99. So we have a little bit more variety here. And then we have these dry erase boards, which are so handy and so much fun. So over the summer, my daughter Emmy was doing some summer classes and writing classes, and her teacher recommended dry erase boards, and guess what? We have some now, $3.99, and it comes with a 4-pack. So we have the unlined part here on the side, and the flip side has the lined part. So super cool to have. We have more, and I'll definitely be donating this to a friend's daughter's school. She's currently in kindergarten. I think her teacher will love this. This will be so awesome to share. We have a few more. Oh, not a few more, a lot more of those. So that's definitely going to my donation pile for the school. How cool. A whole class will have dry erase boards, which is such a great tool to use when you're teaching. So I think they will love that. I see a box here. So in my previous box, I also got this beautiful box here. Oh my gosh, and it has some goodies inside, you guys. These are so much fun to work with. My daughter Emmy actually loves tie-dye projects, so this is so cool. And it says these are mystery die poppers. Oh, how fun. We are definitely going to use these. To use the technique, you dye it, and then you have a reveal of what it might be. So it could be any of these 3 items. T-shirt, tank top, and another shirt. I'm trying to see how much these retail for, but what a wonderful surprise. That's really cool. We have 4 of those. Wow, that already is so worth the $5. These will be great little birthday giveaways for like her party packs and stuff. And this makes wonderful storage. So now I have number 2 box, which is awesome. Always comes handy with storing stuff. We'll just put these die poppers over there. And I see a bag. We have a summer-themed little bag with some items in here. So we have some of these Monstera type leaves that can be lit. $19.99. How cute is that? That's really cool. So I'll be probably sending stuff to my older daughter. She can use that in her dorm room. Really fun. That's really cool. Let's put that over there. And look at this. It's nice. It's an insulated bag, and I love the colors. Can definitely use that. But there are some items here. We have this house. It says house plant. This is really nice. And it's in pink. Retails for $14.99. So nice decorative piece for the table. So we'll definitely keep that. A random letter H. And then look at all that space in that bag. Perfect for outdoor picnics. What a cool bag. I'm loving this box so far. And then I see, let's see here, one of these artichoke plants. Retails for $6.99. Comes handy for some crafty projects. Okay, and the next item is this beautiful floral decorative, like kind of macrame type piece. Excuse the sound, they're doing some street construction that's really loud. But anyway, look how pretty. So there's no price on this, so I'm guessing this might have been a display. Really pretty. Alright guys, one more box here. I love it. This is so nice. I can use this for my crafty storage. Oh, that's fun. See, this is again perfect. If you've seen my previous grab bags, we had some wonderful kits that she was able to give away to her friends. So I think this will be super fun. And we have another 4 in here. So such a great deal. I love it. Here's an overview of what we got in that $5 Michael's grab bag, and I love it. I will update you on how I use those frames soon, and I'm excited to share some of these items with some of my friends. Let me know which item was your favorite. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.